Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create for yourself a Facebook cover graphic in Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is be in a Canva, then click on create design and right here Facebook cover. You will find it here. Okay, and here we go. These are like so damn good and you have so many options. You can just choose in whatever category you have your business, your page, your fan page, or whatever you call it. Let's say that you are going to have winter. I really like this one. This is like pretty great, pretty cool. But yeah, but this is the thing, you need to pay for this. You will have a link in the description if you would like to use these trees. You can see it here, like if it's free, you can use it. If it's like tourist, this would be like really great Facebook cover. And like, okay, this one is free. Let's write here gift to every order. Okay, and now what I would do, I would just download it, PNG, yes, download. Okay, let's open it and voila, here we have it. And I would just add it as my Facebook cover and you got it. It's really simple, really cool. Also, right now there's somewhere should be seen 10 tips on beginner's guide how to use some tips and tricks on Canva. So definitely I recommend you to watch it. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe, you know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day and see ya.